my lady.
Utan Bisaya.
Pochero. Ini gusto ka Pochero?
Film sa dong word. Ginataang nangka. Utan Bisaya with puno.
Isang ka rice. Ano pa suba pa mo ma? Oo. Idungan lang? Oo, pwede lang.
Fritada. Kumba.
Fish, ukan arang talo. Ang yun. Ukan ka Pochero? Hindi na natin urot, no?
O sila ipansit.
Stand by me.
Manok Bisaya tinola. Punaw. Unan isda.
Cebu, Balbacua, Kaldereta Kanding.
Dili, yun sa mga specialty.
Narito, Lanciao, Balbacua, Pochero.
Nanti Lanciao. Sige ka na.
I have smiled a million cities, so the tower room, oh.
Sa feast. Sabi na ko yung Lanciao ka na mga 30 ba? Kay pwede ba mo? Lagkan dyan siguro, no?
Love can't be here when I call. I'm so afraid to show my feelings. I have still a million secrets, so the tower room, ocean deep. Will I ever find a lover? As I cry myself to sleep. Ocean deep. I'm so alone, alone. On my own, on my own. I'm so lonely, I'm so lonely. Ocean deep. I love her, maybe she has found another. As I cry myself to sleep, I know there's love of mine I'll keep. Ocean deep. I'm so lonely, lonely, lonely. Ocean deep. On my own, on my own. I'm so lonely, lonely, lonely. I'm so lonely, lonely, lonely. Ocean deep. Oh my God, for the first time in my life, my eyes were wide open. Oh my lover, for the first time in my life, my eyes get sleep. I see, oh I see the trees everything is here in my heart. And I see the clouds. Oh, my lover, for the first time in my life, my mind can feel. And I feel sorrow, oh, I feel grief, and everything is clear in my heart. I feel life revolving, spinning slowly down to die. I spend the end with you. In my head, the things I have said,
665.
till I finally die. Let me baby find that use. My heart's a virgin, I have never been trying. As you know, I never die. Yes, the road has been walking wide, and all alone, you know I need you. Every day I have the hours away. So when you were thinking of me, with the pain that I was supposed to take.
What's up? It's PJO and bago lang tayo magkaon here at NL Cafe. It's just located along kanang naipart Ibel bitaw. It's a great place for you guys who are looking for kanang mga naa sila available nga Pochero, Balbacua ug Lanciao. So wala pa nato na try ang Lanciao. Maybe next time guys atong sawayan ang Lanciao. Food wise, ang taste of food lami man siya, lami. Especially kato ilang talong, we notice nga daghan jud siya unod. More on unod gud siya, meat with talong, di ba? Kuno na kalami sa guys, daghan siya meat, and of course katong sabaw, free man to na free nga soup, Pochero soup. So lami gid to siya kay free man, di ba? Dayon sa patong ikaw katong sinugbang isda, yeah, lami siya kay fresh good siya, ma-taste mo nga fresh ang iyang fish nga gigamit. Kay especially ako wala man nagkatol akong sinabi ni pagkaon ako katol akong kana ang fish, okay, balik ta ang fish. Ma-feel gini mo na nga fresh kay dili siya katol kaon no, di ba? Ang ubang fish is kanang inikaon nimo ma-feel man nimo nga katol na medyo katol sa mouth, meaning dili kay siya fresh, di ba? And ang ilang fish nga gigamit here fresh gud siya kay pagkaon nimo lami, oh, di ba? And doon sa patong ikaon katong Bisaya, Utan Bisaya, lami sad to siya. Yeah, Utan Bisaya with Citta na tuno. With tuno. Lami ito siya. But I prefer katong kulay tuno nga Utan Bisaya. Pero lami sad siya. And sa patong gikaon? Talong, mana ang talong? Oh, katulad na ito. Ang nakanindot po niya guys, ang iyahang place, dili siya gubot nila, dili siya samok na daghang kayong tao and daghang langaw. Ang ilang place is very clean and daghang siya ako siya space, and of course ang iyang parking nindot sad kayo na available parking sa sud and sa gawas na pwede daghang available na parking, so di ta mag problema na nga pag-park, diba? Which is very good. And kato, the place is clean. Wala tayo langaw nga nakitaan. Or ano, wala may langaw? Ano wala yung langaw? Basin, I don't know, sa mga langaw, basin na dito sa pikas nga kananan, di ba? Moto siya ako na-notice, kanang chill lang siya nga place. And of course, na sila free live music, di ba? Na nag-play good music while you're eating. So, nindot siya. Nindot siya if na mo yung mga guests nga ganahan mo try o katong mga exotic food and of course mga lutong bahay, you bring them here and definitely they will love the place because yeah, the food tastes good and the place is very conducive for dining. Yan, diba? And ang price niya is mid-range na, mid-range. Dili siya inon nga ubos. Mid-range yung price because you're also paying for the I guess for the placement food and the ambience, diba? So okay lang yung price. Nasa mid-range and it's still a better alternative for instead of eating fast food, diba? At least may daghang choices and mas healthy imong ginakaon. So yeah, so muna akong food review ani nga place, NL Cafe. It's located sa Reclamation Area sa Cebu, SM, yeah, near SM. And yeah, check out this place guys, and of course thank you guys for watching and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you again guys.